In this video, I will show you how to update your consent forms and customize them. So you want to make sure that when you log in, whoever logs in has the clinic owner role. So go to settings and you can go to staff member. And I'm going to put myself right here, is a clinic owner, then they will have the ability to manage the consent. So making sure that this is toggled over. If your providers will be managing your consent forms, you can click provider and ensure that this toggle is on. Now, going over to the consent forms, you will notice that WeTree has preloaded a lot of consents that you are able to use. These consents that are default cannot be edited. So if you enter them, there's no edit button. However, you can go down to add new and add your own consent form and press save. Once you do that, you can go over to the services, click on the service that you want to associate that consent form and add it here.